Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. I have a message for Evangelist Godwin. I have a message for Evangelist Godwin. Evangelist Godwin. Because I'm on background noise too much. On a background noise too much. My people, background noise too much. But I'm even noise on a background too much. I want somebody to comment. Background noise too much. My people. Background noise too much. Evangelist Godwin, I have a message for you, and I also have a message for Abundant Grace Church, your former church, Ebe Nagabu before. I have a message for them. You gotta go. Share this video, click on like and love. I'm a comment in them mother about background noise or can cover. Why is it? Case of the network on so we think ever. Okay, I've got me very natural. Okay, the anointed also no. Okay, yes. Okay, then quickly. And we message for Evangelist Godwin. And I also have message for Abundant Grace Church, former church Godwin in Jumbo. And let me start with Abundant Grace Church. Eba hon agabu before. Emana onwe even aza na trouble they sleep. Enyangeje na acho yoku. Can even you na trouble they sleep. Enyangeje na acho yoku. Godwin bialo onwe na Zion no. Obialo onwe na Zion no. Ukwolo onwe ifo ukwolo onwe na Zion no. I don't understand the why Abundant Grace Church yeji we buri enisi. Can even to be a member of a church, is it by force? Say I must say you must be a member of the church. Yes. Adjukano ma adjujo always you mother member of a church, or by force, or I no go do again. I appear here mother. Can even now Evangelist Godwin decided to start going to Zion. How is it any of your problem? If you have a problem, why are you why you picky fight against him? Also, when you no an ordained pastor na your church, who decide they are not your pastor, decide they are not a member of your church, or by force. If you know about comment section, when I name multiple videos before me the video nkakwa, nkakwa full video. Sometimes ufodu mwoke nwere shame, and that guy may play video kita inweno shame ifela ade meyo on amma agbage ni wo onye ozo ya agbage onye ya agbage eziokwu karịrị nke ezugo na agbage inweno shame ifela ade meyo. I'm very sorry to tell you that onwere ufodu umu nwoke adro fit to be called umu nwoke. To be a member of your church, is it by force? Akajuo must go. Akajuo should go, including Zion. Ni Zion, Jekata Zion. It decided the chose Zion. Onwelunye ya force solo. Ne an Anglican, no kata. Decide the same chose an Anglican. Nobody will force you. It is your right and your decision to make. Every battle Godwin uji poor from church ono. One kpukasi unu kpukasi ono na-achọsụ ụzọ unu yesi wee kọtọsi afe na-achọsụ ụzọ unu yesi wee metọsi afe ọsọ kwenya wụrụ na Godwin wuo onye ohi ka ọwụ mbụ. The fact is that he has found a new life for himself. Yes, Osco Nyawolo na Godwin wonyohi. Osco Nyawolo na Godwin wonyohi ko ubumbo. Those are past life. All things have passed away. All things have become new. Why are you people making it to look as if it is a case or sign of everlasting alcohol with the church? You know that you must continue to be a member of your church. The mother Serenonya wonye webian at that church. Mama ye Serenonya boje webian at that church. Mama ya daziabia. Nyangwa chozi dabia. Unaya force here. Look, let me tell you people. I want to make something clear. I met with Godwin. And Godwin said, and I quote, Godwin said, and I quote, Ezugo, I don't want anything concerning that church. I don't want to say anything concerning that church. Let them stay on their own. Let me stay on my own. Manono na ha for so yeah, I've received calls from two people. One of them was not to yesterday, and God knows that I'm not lying. God, heaven knows that I'm not lying. A former member of that church, he happened that church. A former member of that church, he happened that church, call him a lot of things about that church. Same man, Godwin, do very lucky to have left that church. Now let me add this so that you will quote me. Godwin will decide the question to go back to that church. It is his decision. After all, or an adult call. I will decide to go back to that church. It is still his decision. But your people are now pushing. If you na chop puta, una agba una also. If you na chop puta, una agba una also. Emana adoram good na omo okudo. I will forget about issues. They chase shadows. Otherwise, on that abundant grace church, and we go a lot of things. Zurumiji will make a video, but Adam me and Achoro me. But you people are pushing it so far. You guys should allow that young man to be. Also, not a member of your church. Happen yanya gabalu mweye. No nye testimony na Zion, no flow something na Zion. Onwe mbonye testimony na church on. Mbogola na meva. Nka unke Chineke na Mary na Abundant Grace Church. Or encounter pa Zion. God make one ife na Zion. Are you saying that he cannot give testimony na Zion? No uno mudife God no na Zion Mary. It is a question I'm asking you. Ona na fear na if only emezi go say na God anozi active na church in Kon. Why can't you people leave him alone? The young man is not even mentioning your names. Ono wunde na try. I've never heard Ebuka say church he is not even saying anything. He is more like that S who has moved away. But you people are after him, looking for every possible way to slander his name. Pastor people now let me read out something. Let me read out something so that you understand that I'm not saying this. Let me read out something. Sir Godwin, you said it all. I am once a member of Abundant Grace Church with my friends. The first day I came to the church, he prophesied to me that a woman, Achome continue Goa. I was a member of that church, but I didn't stay much longer because the thing they do, and the way they do it, at least I have 2 6 friends that we started together. They all have stopped long time ago. Thank God for Mr. Godwin. There are a lot of people who are sending message. I jump from a lot of tests. I jump from a lot of things. So actually go a lot of things because no one I want to go a lot of things. But actually me go here. Then another person. Hello, I want to give you all information about that Daddy G.O. and his wife. Believe me, I am one of the victims in that man's church. Now God save me. There are a lot of people. Somebody happened to church over 1 year ago. Telephone can share bono. Uno kana chugari piti. How am I even sure on some of the misfortunes only went in the past? No one cause just to frustrate him into getting back to your church. But Anojuo, do free to go. Now, I dare to Evangelist Godwin. Somebody posted this video. My brother, if there is one thing that it is because of something which I'm going to mention here. Number one, you never even wanted to say anything concerning the Abundant Grace Church where you are coming from. In fact, to you, they belong to your past. You don't want to say anything about them. You don't even want to mention anything about them. You are focusing on the future and what you have in your hands now. Kudos to you. That level of maturity, it is rare for you to find it anywhere. Some other persons, poor, did the cover encounter and everything. It doesn't matter what you make of FIFA and Neku, but I am telling you the truth. Then the second part is that every other person who has come out to counter what you have said has ended up confirming that you are not a liar. Counter all these things, they have all ended up confirming that if you could that you are not a liar. Now look at this one, because now I'm watching video the guy, you feel a name, Gente. Good
afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, I want to still say something about this thing that has been trending online concerning Pastor Godwin. Okay. Pastor Godwin said...
Okay, somebody there, yes, can we continue? Actually, analyze this video. You are claiming that you want to fight Godwin, but you have ended up confirming that every single thing Godwin was you. What is there to say? Why are you talking about his past life? Even some of the things he said, you have said it in a bit that you are fighting him. For example, where you said that na no taxi no na police station kaha no west to the matter. Even self now law Korea up. Did he not say it? Did he not say it? Did he not say that na even na the matter all the police station ebe the matter Osoriyezo? Why do you want him to mention the name of Onyebirie taxi? He even said that out of frustration, na that taxi that you keep on getting into one trouble or the other. No, no problem. Even to account for Ego Badan at that taxi, not a problem. Did he not say it? So you saying it that are you making sense? You have just ended up here confirming to us that number one, now the guy will a very rough past, which he said. You confirmed to us. You even told us how the Koloko was taken away. Meaning you even told us how the taxi came about, how the taxi left his hand. If you could so can you tell me exactly what you said that Godwin did not say? Can you tell me what he said that Godwin did not say? Then you said that na when all clearing he said no kataro kwose inweta customer ogembo no clearing because all no clearing before God will reinstate ye back for the second time. So he said that na no kataro customer say whatever things email customers say he doesn't want to talk about. But the fact was that now something happened and has him with all on a clearing problem here and there. He left clearing then, which for me Nyakolokwe Oba enya taxi Uber for me Uber God will reinstate ye back to clearing. This is a new chapter of his life. You either deal with this new chapter of his life, but if you think that devil will use you as an obstruction for God to perfect what he has started doing, Nisi Godwin, then judge on the fight grace, how they have all ended. You will end in disgrace. And from me, what is your frustration? I am trying to understand what your anger is. you kept saying that he's jumping up. He's jumping up. Oji Opaga jump up. Oji Akaga jump up. Oji Oluwe Kwoku. Answer in black. I'm saying, when you call my brother, oh, no verse. Eh? Oji Akaga Kwoku. Oji Oluwe Kwoku. Oji Opaga. Why are you so upset that he's jumping up? Some of you Umukolobia are fast becoming Ndenata Amosu. A lot of you people are fast becoming Ndenata Amosu. I want to know if your anger na woki be una jump up so you plan na former church na Godwin must keep will continue to suffer because he left your church. Is that what your plans are? You gotta go. Plan na the young man ya tagida fufu. Now even they was you na no confess na suffer nya be go to an end. Only was you niwe. I don't understand. Some of whom will be able to so poisonous that now if you give them chance, how you go okay? And that is why I am careful on how I make friends these days. Some of them do so bad. Some of them do so bad. Let us even go through what he said. He said this thing for it was a 10 minutes video. You ended up using the 10 minutes video to confirm to us that Godwin wasn't lying after all. Godwin wasn't lying after all. So I was trying to put on together one or two. Can't understand there. Ebe Otologa na line up here. I did not see. Yes, I followed Godwin to his house. What are you telling me? I followed him up to his house. I asked neighbors, and they told me his story. Do you know how many people na phone? They told me stories about Godwin. He's not lying. He is not lying. If you are trying to come and wrestle with this new chapter of his life, I am telling you, you are going to be disgraced because the God that is working in his life right now can even crush anything in line. And it is an advice that I'm giving you. Stop disgracing yourself. You are a young guy. You shouldn't be this bitter. No Colombia to Cairo. To the point in the let us continue. Let us continue. He kept mentioning jumping up. This is not a time to be happy. I like you, and I used to like what you are doing. But this your happy being happy is not necessary. Meanwhile, nwụchalụ nkwụ daa na klọb laa na klọb n'abalị buru nwaanyị bata gbatị ya akwala ọpụtazie n'ụtụtụ ọsị m na ntụ ọnọdụ Naijiria dọkịta na ma suppose ho ide enwe aṅụrị. Can I continue?
That nobody ordained you as a pastor. I'm still coming to that. Somebody that opened a church and was doing ministry in that place. And you call yourself that you are not a pastor.
Somebody that opened a ministry, a church, and he was doing ministry in that place. Does that make that person a pastor? Because Evangelist Ebuka Obi a Catholic, we just pay ministry. Does that make him a reverend father? Madu serego that no a pastor in that church. Also, when you know see about pay ministry. The fact is that he wasn't ordained as a pastor in your church, and he has challenged you to say, no, we ordain a pastor anywhere. That you people should bring the evidence. It does say why you know Jemepe ministry, no Jemepe church, name ministry about your own personal thing. The fact is that he was not an ordained pastor in your church. He said it that do don't even to pastor where only affairs of the church. Yes, there are a lot of people who are doing that in their capacity. A lot of people they may in their capacity. For the name myself, I'm evangelist. Yes, for the name how evangelist how for the name how apostle. What I even know So where is the lie? Godwin, he simply said that he wasn't ordained as a pastor. He did not ask you to come and remind him ministry. That's not what we are talking about here. Was he ordained as a pastor in abundant grace? Yes or no? The answer is no. Let us continue. Let us continue.
Okay. All these things you are flying, jumping up and down.
All these things you are flying, jumping up and down.
It's because you are looking for attention.
You are looking for attention.
You are a frustrated man.
You are a frustrated man.
For attention. Looking for where you will benefit from.
Okay.
You are just jumping up and down, looking for where you will benefit from. If you are saying you are doing this, they should give you a job. I know it's because of for people to give you a job.
So how is it a problem? He says you are doing this because you want to benefit, and you are doing that so that people will give you job. And so what? And so what? Even if it is for people to give him job. And so what? Who appointed you as a judge over him? What makes you believe that you are even far better than him?
It's what that made you to be doing all this thing you are doing online. You are shouting, it's working, this one and do. You're just looking for attention.
Yeah.
An evil person. It's because that church you are attending now, they don't know the kind of person you are.
That church you are attending now, they don't know the kind of person you are. Who cares to know? Who even cares to know?
Green snake in green grass. You are just pretending now.
You are just pretending.
For people to just pity you. Don't know the kind of person you are.
I will.
They should give you job.
I will. Sika.
You know you have casted in my church, in Abundant Grace Power Church. That's why he left.
He has casted in your church. That's why he left. Do you want him to stay there and continue being casted? I'm asking you. He has casted in your church. That's why he left. Do you want him to continue being casted in your church? Are you not happy that he left with his trouble? Why are you not happy that upon not to go casted, he decided to leave your church with his trouble? Why are you still looking for a casted man to come back to your church? What is the problem with you people? Yeah?
That voice note, I will still play it here. When you are telling your wife that she's casting you, you have casted in Abundant Grace. Even though Uche gave you money to do job for him, you ate the money. You ate the money.
We want to know, because what it shows is that all these things are on our call. We family past before he visited Zion last year. So his past life, you shouldn't bring it here. We don't care to listen to it. Nobody cares to listen to it. What matters is the life he's living now. That is what matters. A lot of people they are off past. And with my own, with your own. We have all come from afar. So taking us back to those Genesis, we don't want it. We are interested in what is happening now, closer to Revelation.
Ate it. You ate the money. He gave you money to do job for him. You ate the money. See today. Come and deny that one. You ate the money. You did not deliver any job. You are shouting.
Okay, first, somebody the room na on an if on somebody the room on an if on yes. Somebody the room on an if on I need yes or no before I can continue. I need yes or no. If I didn't they temporary way and you ate the money. Did you not eat the money? Say yes or no. Who cares to know that? Who cares to know that? Who is interested? What can if he in a cocket can he form what to do with his working and his working? And why are you so upset that it is working for him? I want to know why you are so upset. Eh? What is so special with Ife Enako now? And why are you so angry? Because he shouted it is working. You don't want it to work for him? I can check comment you. If that video didn't play, oh no, somebody there, okay, Emeka Godwin say yes. Another person they yes. Sure, you check the video. Okay, yes, so okay, Esther Emezo. Then let us continue.
Even this man that gave you that minibus.
Even this man that gave you that minibus. Have you now confirmed that actually he drove a minibus? And have you now confirmed that after all he has left the church? Okay, now confirm where may your enemies come together to prove you right in the mighty name of Jesus. I'm speaking as a prophet, not as a prophet, but as a man that sees tomorrow. May your enemies come together to prove you right. Here he has confirmed to you people that Godwin is no more with Abundant Grace Church. He has also confirmed right now that Godwin actually drove a minibus. So let us continue.
For the people to see the kind of person you are. Somebody that he was your friend before. And now saw that everything has gone upside down for you.
He now saw that everything has gone upside down for you. That is also confirming that what Godwin said, that he actually passed through a lot, that he suffered. He suffered. Somebody kwajelu na uncompleted building because he can no more pay for his house rent. Or kwajelu na uncompleted building, building uncompleted building. What else? Whatever that made him to pass through that suffering, he is happy that he has come out alive. Yes, I want to know. So let us continue.
He now decided to help you. He called you and asked you, what can you do now? He said, what? Let him buy minibus for you. You're using to do that. He gave you the money to go and buy the motor.
He gave you money to go and buy the motor, the minibus.
You still use your own name.
You bought it. You still use your own money. Somebody's money.
You use your own name to register the bus.
The person I can go to register will be here. Somebody in your go to minibus or yanya. Or go to register with your affair. Onya police. No go one ever when you have problem with it. You registered it with your name. The only thing I got here, there is nothing about Godwin's past life I'm interested in, except those things so cool on the screen about people interested in. Whatever thing or pass you through, that one is him. We have all our past. Yes, a lot of people were rough in their past life and now they are living a decent life. It doesn't even matter no who knew he before. What we are interested is currently what is happening in his life. Even in a call you just or man call for cinema in a call story. This is him now confirming that actually Godwin drove a minibus.
You use your own name.
You use your own name.
It's because you have a dubious character.
Yes.
You use your own name to register the bus.
Yes.
Every day you will have problem with either police or Agboro people.
He said it now. Every day you have problem with either police or Agboro people. He said it now. No. Open any account now. No, I say no, my life would be so frustrated. No, then also we buy on Igbo. Manoji one a bound on Igbo. You know, Katakate say no, if you born on AC Igbo, if you John Wekupa, if you John Weku, or John Wekun.
You want to eat alone, want to chop alone.
You want to eat alone.
Every day, either you see you police station or you be with Agbo people fighting a pastor, fighting every day. Before you decided to turn that minibus to a cab.
Before you decided to return that minibus, you got to go. Also, every day he will either be in the police station or he will be fighting on Yanandabulu and then with them because not sure he eat alone until one day he decided to return that minibus to the owner. Look at somebody they claim on a fighting mad. Yeah, you have ended up now confirming every single thing. Eh? Leg one thing.
God, the man. And the man, if you doubt it, the man will still come outside.
Also, if you doubt it, the man will still come outside. Who is doubting anything? Who says we are doubting it? You are actually confirming to us in details what Godwin said, so nobody is doubting it. Now, see, if you like, the man will come out. Let the man come out. The man will only confirm to us further, so that we can even understand the level of what that guy passed through. You want to go? I carry hate to anything, and also call you for the whole people need no na ableba. They are all confirming to us that the even God will always you. You want to go? Also, every day, no, on a police, on a police, on work. Yes, until the day we decided to return that boss to the owner. Can you fake that? The owner does the call when Godwin said it. I am asking you. That is why in US may God turn your enemies into confirming to people that you are right or that you are saying the truth. Kachineke wolunde enemies igu. Kachineke wolunde enemies igu when I confirm wolunde mmadụ even ekwu eziokwu. Even when they think that they are trying to pull you down, but God will be using them to be elevating you more. The guy in Equifa is not an intelligent somebody.
That's why you don't want to mention his name.
His name was unnecessary. Is he even telling stories? He only told you that he drove a minibus. Why will he mention the names of those people? Why will he mention the names of those people? I'm asking you, are they necessary? Their names are necessary. It's more like an Amadu Gwalago. Hey, now those days, you know, he said, why did you not mention the name of those you stole from? Exactly. The Madobia, the new testimony of his life. So, Nambochi, Namba, no, the Makantoto. He said, why would you mention half and don't Merakantoto? Are you okay? He said, woman.
You stay, you call the man, they say, okay. He said, I want to buy that small car, that Honda, that small car.
He has now talked about that Honda. When you go to that Honda, that small car. You want to go? You want to that
Honda.
Chelu. Let him to.
The man will still come outside.
The man will still come outside.
You don't want to mention his name.
You don't want to mention his name. Let him to.
You stay, you call the man, they say, okay. He said, I want to buy that small car, that Honda.
If Liverpool, you still call the man, then okay, the man said, okay, then or convince the man, or the man, they go to a Honda, that small car. They get to you.
That small car.
Yes.
You bought the car.
You bought the car.
You did not deliver, even the agreement you had with the man, you did not deliver 1 naira, you did not deliver to the man.
Yes. You got a small motor, which is the Honda. He did not deliver even 1 naira, no on agreement. That man, have you now been confirmed? If we go not go confirmed, it is now confirmed that this guy actually was an Uber driver. So he is busy confirming every single thing that Godwin said, and he thinks that he is fighting him. Also, and who said he did not mention the name of the name of the person who be near the Honda? He mentioned the name to me. Who said he did not mention it? He mentioned the name to me. He mentioned the name to me. Yes. In case if you don't know, he mentioned the name to me. So you have now confirmed that actually no nyalo minibus, and you just confirm that no nyalo tax, no nyalo Uber.
1 naira you did not deliver to me.
1 naira you did not deliver. Now the Honda now no Honda Juenya or Uber.
You be giving the man story every day.
Okuriano, Godwin Okuriano. Godwin kwuru na ọ eme account na ọ dị so frustrated na ọ concentrate ha alụ ọrụ ineri yotago no ọ eme account na ọ had account to anything. So what is new that you are telling us? Nothing new.
Just imagine somebody that just want to help you. I gave you millions to buy motor. 1 naira you did not deliver to the man. Okay, when the man was now, he don't want to play it again. He told you that you should return back his motor. You should return it back. You now turned it into a fight. Only you did not contribute 1 naira.
He was a fighter then.
You now turned it to a fight. The owner of something said that you don't want to do it again, that you should return back his motor. You turned it to a fight. The man now said, okay, is it what you want? The man now reported the case to police station.
To police station.
Am I lying? The case is still registered in the police station. You slept inside cell now. Is it a lie?
Possible na say na this guy amaghị when this guy could even answer no amaghị all na people should read the all. That is why in say that some of you na-edebe ahụ na unu na intelligent. All move this guy, I will be more smart enough in my presentation. Godwin kwuru na no na police station kanya na onye onyalo Uber no we settle the matter. No na police station ka na we na moto. Did you not hear when he said it? Yeah? Did you not hear when he said it? He said it clearly. He did not hide it. Osre na onye onyalo Uber na police station kanya na onye ahụ no we settle here. So why are you asking him? Is it true or is it lie? What is it? What do you want him to come and confirm again when he already said it by himself? You want to go? So you are only coming here now to confirm that let us continue.
Before you release that motor, you slept inside cell.
He said it. He told me this one. But he said na maka police okwurie na video nke yigel mana hatred ekwo ke igeye. He said so. So I am even more ashamed that Governor Eziokwu share here. You are still continuing in your ignorance. Yes, I can be so disappointed that you have to share that unintelligent video. What is it you are trying to prove? You are trying to prove nonsense. What is it you are okay, you shared it and you said, is that so? What did he say? Or serious? Well, what was the caption? You are sharing this nonsense for what? You are sharing something, still trying to confirm to us that never Godwin was you. Did Godwin not say no on a police station? The matter. Did he not say that? Did he not say that? I'm asking you.
I don't want to mention the man's name. If somebody gave him, come outside and prove it. They say that it's a lie. Come outside and prove it. The man that gave you that motor. You're not trying to jump in. Anybody that give you a job, the person is here.
People you and you deliver all. About a no, you make China and Godwin and you're not so good. You ought to go, yeah, Jenuna, my own. Come on and go on with it. I will do now. Jenuna, no, on you were back. If you put this screen, wait, you were back. Jeb back, you were back. If you put the ball or back. Jen at the house, you look if you phone a lower back. You ought to go. You think he's going to suffer forever. Go to that house. You look, you will line up a lot. Jeba, you look, you will line up a lot.
He's on his own, though. Say, job. I know. Say they want to tarnish your image online. That you get image.
Oh, well, image you own them.
Say image.
She let her go image you so own now. This guy is so bitter.
Jumping up and down.
He will continue. Godwin, please keep jumping. That jumping, in fact, every Sunday or every program on Ijeleba, he jump up, send them the video. Let me post it so that people will see it more. Can do on a work on a way.
All your secrets, I lost them. Good morning. Am I lying? In case he's still inside the police station, that way I don't want to mention the man's name. That way I don't want to mention the parent. Say image. Which image you get? You are jumping up and down. All your secrets. I lost them.
All your secrets, I have it. Like this one on a leak. I will for doing work though. You know when somebody na no Saga go and when if you no Saga go onya we are just man make sure you. It's just like these people na no Saga no go. And when you no Saga go, the more they come out to fight him, the more they disgrace and show themselves for people to see them. So all your secrets, just like and nko okulketa so na the secret on it is. Nko okulketa so na secret Godwin actually it is. Eh?
If all this you're shouting, jumping up and down, he's doing this one, he's okay. Is it not last month?
Last month.
I met you.
You met him.
At Baba shop, guy buy my hair. That you told me, even some all of them were there. About 2 or 3 people were there that day. And you told me that everything is not working well.
Let's get into this part.
And this shows you are shouting now.
Let's get into
say everything was not working well for you.
Let's get into
that you want to return back.
This is that.
Beg my prophet, the better prophet to minutes. I should go and beg him that you want to return back.
You see, this is exactly ebe interest there, but nonsense no on akeba. Nonsense no on akeba is to make people to understand that na things do Godwin better born on abundant grace. Na even keta Godwin on Zion. Na no kana ata afofo na even no kana acho which you na abundant grace. You have evidence for every other thing. Only this one can we evidence for. Have you seen? This is exactly where the bone of contention is. Why must he leave abundant grace church to come to Zion to be living a fulfilled life?